ruhonge ruria rwirigirirwo kuhutio muno angikorwo mugomo ucio ni uguthie na mbere ni ruria rwa ugima wa mwiri. Atongoria ciama cia aruti wira acio ni maniriire mugomo angikorwo matikurihwo.
We are not going to sit in hospitals and supervise Kenyans as they die. We cannot expect workers to trek to work.
We are therefore demanding that salaries be paid within 7 days, failure to which will call upon all the workers to down their tools.
Maraka ya gukorwo na ihinda irito ona kurora family ciao miturire ya ingi githinikana tondu wa gucererwo kwa mishara yao.
The CEOs of the counties are paying our health workers due to when they feel like. For example, if a health worker has got a loan, he is being subjected to extra interest.
In timely payment subject our members and their families to untold financial, social and social emotional hardship, which in the long run affect their productivity at workplace.
Riendekithia reo ni thirikari nene thondeke komishoni iri na itemi ria kwehereria thirikari cia matura urugamiriri wa mathibitari.
HC will not succeed in Kenya if at all we are going to have a human resource that is inconvenienced in the course of their duties.
All we are asking is we have an institution that can be able to centrally manage the health human resource without returning health back to the national government.
No na aruti wira aya makihanaga mukana wa kugoma gutire na dalili ya thirikari cia matura kuongererwo kigina ni bunge iria riu ithiete rutha nginyagia mweri wa kenda. Girifotera Inoro TV retwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.